Hi guys, Dr. David Warwick. This is a completion of week 12 healing of my TKR, my total knee replacement. And I have to say even from the past recordings, day by day, but week by week, I am definitely better. I would say I had more positive days and a little more skipping my steps, so to speak, in serving you. So even this was the first day that I had a full day back this week, which is perfect timing to start acclimating into the practice a little bit more. So I am here to serve you. I want to make this a fairly brief recording, but I am improving. They said around 3 to 4. I'll definitely start to months, which is 12 weeks. I'll feel a difference, but especially at year 1. And so I'm feeling a little bit of shift in the tide, although it was a little tiring toward the end there of the day, the last few hours. But hey, I was glad to see you, serve you, especially as we're going to be heading into end of summer here. Give our office a call. Come on in. I'll do my best to serve you. The associate doctors are there to help me just in case I get a little bit tired at the end. So thank you for listening. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.